Hey guys, so today I'm going to do something a little different. I'm going to bake some cod in the Traeger. First of all, I've got the Traeger out there warming up 400 degrees. We're going to cook this for 12 to 15 minutes. I'm going to cook it for 15 minutes. It's 18 degrees outside. I'm going to cook it for 15 minutes. All right, well, stay tuned. Hey, so that cod turned out amazing. So that cod, I took 2 tablespoons of olive oil, squeezed a whole lemon, and mixed that in there. I took 2 cloves of garlic, diced them up really fine, squished them, get the oil out. If you have like a garlic mincer, that'd be great. Or maybe you buy minced garlic, whatever you want to do. I put a teaspoon of dried Italian parsley, and I put a teaspoon of thyme, not thyme, oregano. You can use thyme or oregano in this one. I had fresh thyme, but I didn't have any dried thyme, and that's what I really wanted. So then, if you saw what I did, I brushed the pan with parchment paper on it now. I brushed the pan, put the fish on there, brushed the fish with that mixture, and then I came back with salt and pepper, some Cajun two-step, little smoked paprika, a little fresh chili companies, their red chili, dehydrated red chilies. Fantastic company, by the way. I could have put some Parmesan on there too, and that would have been even better. This is a really healthy option. I've been wanting to smoke fish in the, it's not really smoking, let's be honest. This is baking fish in the Traeger. I've been wanting to bake some fish in the Traeger, and you know, it's brand new year. Got to do some healthy stuff. This stuff is so flaky. Look how good flaky it is. Oh, it's great. Absolutely delicious. I've got some red wine in here by a company called, I don't know what it's called, Three Rain. It's a nice red blend. Goes pretty good with it too. So you know I go low carb. So any of your red wines, usually your dry red wines like Cabernet Sauvignon and stuff, are low carb. I drink a glass of wine every day. Like at the end of my shift when I get home, I drink a glass. This is really the end of my day. So I'm gonna have a glass. I want that antioxidants that's in there. I'm gonna keep eating this. Cod's full of those good fats. Alright guys, I'm gonna wrap this video up here. I appreciate you tuning in. Please hit that like button. Please subscribe. Comment if you think there was some different seasoning I should have used. That's fine. I'm willing to do this again. I'm gonna do some salmon also. I'm also gonna try to find some herring, some salted herring. Yep. I need to try something. I've never tried it. I've got some canned herring. I'm gonna do a video on that too. All right. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Let's get lost.